It's the year 1965, and a small television production company is shooting the latest episode of Nana's Home Cooking Show for the local television station.
Righto, team.
Yeah.
We're all set. This is going to be an important show. It's our 10th. And, well, that's important. Hang on. Where's Mike?
I thought he was with you.
No. Oh, I'm not his bloody chauffeur.
I haven't seen him.
Hang on, what's that?
Fun.
Oh. Hello? Mike? What? No. You're coming, aren't you? You're not? Oh. Okay. Well, there's not much we can do about that, is there? Righto. Thanks.
What's going on?
He's crook. Can't come.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Probably food poisoning.
Well, could be. Yeah, ate a mushroom, yeah. Well, do we abandon or we've gone to a bit of trouble today?
Oh, we're expecting to have a show.
Oh, Chris. Mate,
Yeah.
Chris,
Oh,
have you ever
yeah.
done any cooking?
I can boil an egg, I can fry an egg, I can scramble an egg.
You can make scones too, can't you? Yes. Right, you're no longer the cameraman, you're the chef. Ian, you're the cameraman. You're the assistant cameraman. You can take over the camera. Good on you, mate.
Thanks.
Right. Makeup. There we are. You can do the stuff. Excuse me, I'll get through here.
Get your dress first.
Is this going to work?
It's going to work.
Good, actually.
Yeah, it's going to work.
We need to.
We just take those right
As long as that bloke on the camera does the right thing. Looks as though he gives a bit of a deal.
What are you making? Is that
Scones. Yeah, back. You're only a
You
contractor.
can. Think that's going to be all right?
Well, it works. It's the station for a
Just
while.
drop the button.
I know. But, oh, jeez. I don't know. I'm worried about the camera. Oh, the cameraman. I think the camera's all right.
Put your apron on.
Well, as long as you've got a pump thing.
Oh,
It's a cooking show after all.
yeah. Anyone can cook.
Ha ha ha.
No need to make jokes. This is
Okay.
serious.
Now, let's turn you into a chef.
Well,
Okay.
Ian's
All right.
looking as though he knows what he might be doing over there.
Well, he
Makeup?
almost looks like a chef in
Oh, yeah.
that.
Makeup on you.
Pressing all the right
Head up.
buttons over there.
That's it.
He's pressing my buttons anyway.
Perfect. Oh. Oh. Your hairspray. You feel good to go?
No.
We will when we get the hat. Turn you into a chef. Here we go. Done. We have a chef.
Right.
All right. On with the glasses. And off you go.
Thanks, Sue. That's all good. Right. Round that way. Take your place up. I think we're pretty well ready to go, are we? Are you ready, Ian?
Oh, I think so.
I think so.
You know how that thing goes now?
Yeah.
Be good.
Well, the book's
Don't worry about
telling me. Yeah, right.
That's better. You right?
Yep.
You got him in?
Yep.
Okay, here we go. Going to have lights, camera, and 5. And action!
Welcome to another episode of Nana's Home Cooking Show. Have we got a surprise for you today?
I'm Chris. We're going to use an old recipe that my grandmother used to make. We're going to reinvigorate it. It's going to be scones. Now, how hard can this be? Scones. Flour. Oh, a bit more. Oh, a bit more. Cream.
Chef Chris's grandmother's recipe uses only the ingredients that were commonly available in her time.
Lemonade? Oh. That's lemonade.
Cut, Chris. Even though you're not professional, can you look professional?
How do you do
No, it's
that?
bloody hard, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, well, there you go.
Look, I think a bit of salt would help.
No. What are you doing?
Yeah, that's definitely not going to work. You're going to have to put some of the olive oil in. Olive oil fixes everything, you know.
Come on, you're on microphone, not on... Oh, dear.
Now, I reckon, don't forget the baking soda though. The baking soda's got to give it a lift.
I'll give you a bloody lift in a minute. No, stop. That's enough. Right. Action.
And if you're going to stir the mixture, always use the right tool. It's working.
After all, the Aussie spirit has always been to use the tools you are most familiar with.
Cut! What the hell's going on?
Oops, sorry about that. I fell over cables.
Oh, come on, let's get back to... Come on. We ready? You ready to roll?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and action!
And I wonder what Nana would be thinking at this stage. Chef Chris seems to be making a damper rather than scones.
And now it's time to put it in the oven. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And now we wait.
And we'll be right back after this short break to see what Chef Chris has created for us today.
Cut!
Is this a disaster or what?
Oh, I don't think so.
That's good.
Oh, it'll be good. I think it's going to be fine. Okay.
Well, don't blame me when it goes all wrong.
No, the chef.
I think it'll be
Yeah,
okay.
but I feel like I had no input whatsoever.
Well, anyway, we're ready for the oven reveal?
Yeah.
Okay, back on set. Come on. You ready?
All set.
Rolling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Action!
Now it's time to see the result of our efforts. Wow! perfectly baked scones.
This is a surprise. Well, that was a roller coaster today. Thank you, Chef Chris, for this home cooking demonstration. Thank you, everyone, for joining us for this unexpected culinary journey. And don't forget, you can join us next time for more surprises. Until then, happy cooking, and remember, it's all in the recipe.
Cut. Well, that's a wrap. So what do you reckon? How did that go?
That was great. When are we going to do it again? Because I've got a lovely recipe for barbecued goose.
Ready?
Yep.
Okay. You go. Beautiful.
Something to
Perfect.